Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility, a verified Mobile Legends account, and basic creator status. Once done, gather your assets, ID, clear screenshots, a 30-second intro clip, and links to your social channels. Then, open the game and navigate to Menu, Events, Creator Camp, tap Apply. Follow the in-game form and upload required files. Make sure to use readable file names and concise descriptions. This reduces review delays and primes your application for the next steps in the process. Once your application is submitted, you refine your Creator Camp profile, declare niche, primary language, and a realistic upload schedule. Upload sample videos or clips that showcase your style and link YouTube or TikTok correctly. Make sure permissions allow Mobile Legends reviewers to view content. Then select content types, guides, gameplay, montages, and outline a 4-week content flow. This helps the team assess fit and lets you demonstrate steady output. Follow these steps to increase approval odds and align with program goals. Finalize by reviewing and accepting Creator Camp terms, then complete any final verification prompts. After submission, expect an audit period. Check notifications and email for updates during the given review window. If approved, integrate suggested tags and scheduling notes immediately. If you encounter rejection, read the feedback, correct the specific issues, clarify ID, improve sample quality, fix links, and resubmit. Include a short cover note explaining fixes. This targeted approach speeds reapproval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.